Hello, dear YouTube viewers. Welcome to our channel, Chef Romeo's or Kathi or Karandi. Today, I am going to show you how to make a traditional Chettinad fish curry by using Tbsp mean, which is horse mackerel fish in English. For this, first I am going to roast and grind peppercorns, jeera, fennel, shallots, coconut, and coriander seeds. For this, first we have to marinate the fish half kg Tbsp, which is horse mackerel fish, with half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am using half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, like 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and next 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Put these three powders together and apply it to the raw fish, and add little salt to around a teaspoon, and then apply it to the fish. Mix it well and keep it aside. Let's prepare the other mise en place next. For this dish, I am taking around 300 grams of big onions, chopping finely, and keep it ready. We need finely chopped onions for this. Next, I am taking 400 grams of tomatoes, large size, like 4 tomatoes. Just cut into half, remove the eyes of the tomato and just chop finely. Okay, for this I have taken 200 grams of shallots. I am going to roast and grind it with the dry masalas. Okay, we are using 100 grams of garlic and like 4 inches of ginger, fresh ginger. We are going to roast and grind with half shell of coconut with other spices. Now slit 5 green chilies and keep aside. Now soak the 1 lemon size of tamarind, 1 lemon size of tamarind, see the size, into warm water for like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Soak it. And take the tamarind pulp from it. Now let's dry roast whole peppercorn, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole jeera, and 1 tablespoon of Kolanji. This is called Kolanji-Onion seeds. is good for digestion and taste. Like 1 tablespoon, we add kolanji, and next 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, somb. We are adding 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, somb. Next, whole peeled garlic with ginger. We are going to dry roast, and some shallots together. It's called sambar vengayam in Tamil. And now add 50 grams of cashew nuts, whole cashew nuts to it. And add now half shell of grated coconut, fresh grated coconut to it. Add dry red chilies like 8 numbers and dry roast it all together. Okay friends, this Chettinad fish curry is very rich in taste and spicy. That's why we are adding cashew nuts, red chilies like that. Roast it till the coconut light brown color and the onion should be in transparent. Okay, now I am roasting it in a slow flame till it gets roasted like light brown color, all the coconut. Now let it cool for some time and grind it to smooth paste. Now start cooking. Now I'm going to add 100 grams of Gingilly oil, nallanai. Now add the mustard seeds to the hot oil. Let it splutter. Now add the whole Jeera-Cumin seeds. Then half teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Few garlics. Now I am adding onion seeds. This is called Kolanji. It's very good for health and digestion. It gives good flavor and taste. Add Kolanji and few shallots, green chilies. And of course little curry leaves. Then add the chopped onions. And saute it till transparent color. Fry the onions well till it turns into transparent in color. Check that onions turned into transparent in color. When onion gets this transparent color, now you can add the chopped tomatoes. Okay, saute it, mix it well. I have given the measurements of the whole recipe in the description box. Please check it. Okay, cover it with a lid like this for 10 minutes. Let it saute so the tomatoes will get mashed up. Now we are going to add the spice powders like turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder. See the tomatoes got mashed up well. So now adding chili powder 1 teaspoonful, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, and the coriander powder 2 full teaspoons. Now if some people want more spicy, you can add 1 more teaspoon of chili powder. Now I am adding already roasted and ground well masala paste to the onion and tomato masala. Now it's time to add the salt. It depends upon your taste choice. You can add 1 tablespoon of salt. If you want little more, you can check it and add it later. I am adding half a tablespoon of salt more. So totally 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now I am adding
soaked
tamarind soaked water
around 50 grams.
around 50 grams.
Add it to the
Like tamarind extract it's called, to the gravy. Strain and add. Mix it well, let it simmer. When it's simmering, so this gravy is almost done. Add the fish
You have to, it's boiling in Karandi.
and let the gravy boil. Now it's boiling. Now we are going to add the fish to it. Now before adding the fish, we should check the spice level and salt, everything. I am checking it's okay now. Spice and salt, sour taste, everything is okay. Yeah, it's correct. Now we are going to add the fish pieces. Add the fish pieces one by one, slowly. Now meantime, take a half a bunch of coriander leaves or cilantro, cut into fine chop for the garnish. After finish cooking, cover it with the lid and let it boil for 10 minutes. Okay, now 10 minutes done. I am going to open the lid and check it. Nice aroma is coming. fish curry aroma is spreading around the room. Let's check the salt and taste level. It's good, it come out very good. Now I'm sprinkling the cilantro coriander leaves garnish on top of the gravy. Then the final touch is
Little few drops of
just dash with a
coconut oil
spoonful of coconut oil on top of the gravy
for the garnish.
for the taste and flavor. It gives a good aroma and taste. And now switch off the fire flame and stop cooking. Okay, it's time now for tasting. I'm going to taste it now. The fish is cooked well. Let me check the taste. Yes. Wow, the taste came very good and its aroma is very good. Exactly traditional Chettinad fish curry. Amazing fish curry. Chettinad style, traditional style made. So you please guys try it at your home and leave the comments down. Thank you very much. From Chef Romeo's kitchen or Kathi or Karandi.